Next, we have specification number 2, which requires us to state the uses of energy in living organisms. The energy released during respiration, in the form of ATP, plays a vital role in various life processes. This energy is used for muscle contraction, protein synthesis, cell division, active transport, growth, the transmission of electrical impulses along neurons, and for maintaining a constant body temperature. In short, ATP provides the energy needed to keep all essential biological functions running smoothly. All living organisms need a constant supply of energy, mainly in the form of ATP, which is produced through cellular respiration. This energy is essential for carrying out various life processes that keep organisms alive and functioning properly. Like, muscle contraction requires energy for the movement of protein filaments like actin and myosin, allowing muscles to contract and enable movement. Then, protein synthesis also depends on energy to join amino acids together through peptide bond formation. Also, during cell division, energy is needed to replicate DNA in separate cells during mitosis and meiosis, ensuring growth and repair of tissues. In active transport, energy is used to move substances across cell membranes against their concentration gradient, such as in the sodium-potassium pump found in nerve cells. Also, energy is equally important for growth, as it supports the synthesis of new biomass and the repair of damaged cells. It also powers the transmission of electrical impulses along neurons by maintaining ion gradients across nerve membranes. And finally, in warm-blooded animals like mammals and birds, energy released from metabolic reactions helps in maintaining a constant body temperature, ensuring stable internal conditions for proper functioning. So, these are some of the important uses of energy released during respiration, which enable living organisms to perform all their essential life functions effectively.